What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about SEO for affiliate marketing websites. Alright, now before I get into the video, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more affiliate marketing related videos. Alright, so let's just jump right into this. SEO for affiliate marketing websites. Okay, this is how I'm getting most of my traffic to my affiliate sites today. Alright, I don't use any paid traffic because if you know how to rank well on Google and the other search engines, you're going to get a substantial amount of traffic to your website and you don't have to pay for it, which is great. Alright, now SEO does take a while, and I'm going to be showing you some methods that I think work really well in 2018, and these techniques are not black hat, they're all white hat. I don't use any backlinks, or at least I don't pay for any backlinks from Fiverr or other places where other people, the so-called gurus, buy from. But I'm going to show you pure ways of how you can get more traffic to your affiliate website. You know, you don't have to pay anything, and it's just going to take time for Google to index your website and to rank it. Alright, but by the end of this video you're going to learn how to rank on the first page of Google. Alright, so let's get into this. Let me just first show you my results here. These are some of my results for one of my Amazon affiliate websites. Alright, as you can see, I'm ranking for quite a few pages on the first page of Google. Okay, now I like to use this tool called Hrefs. It's a great tool. It allows me to see all my rankings and what is working, what keywords are ranking, what keywords I'm ranking for, and yeah, so this is just some proof here. And here is my earnings for one of my sites. Okay, this is this quarter, so it's from a few months ago till now, and you know, it's doing pretty well. Okay, I'm not doing any work. All I have to do is just write articles and rank those articles, and I get traffic and I get sales. Okay, so this is just one of my sites. Okay, it's doing very well by me doing very minimal work, and this is this is the SEO that I do on my website today. Okay, so what I focus mostly for my website is good content, and what I mean by good content is, you know, creating an article that people actually want to read. Okay, don't just put text, blocks of text. You want to break it up. You want to have images, videos, and you want to solve problems in your articles. Okay, answer people's questions if they were to buy the product. Okay, so for example, if you're reviewing a product from Amazon, try to answer some questions related to that product. Okay, uh, and also I do long word articles. Okay, I'm talking about 1,500 to 4,000 word articles. Google sees this as high quality content. Okay, if you're gonna write less than that, Google doesn't see it as an authority article. Okay, if you're able to crank out 1,500 to 4,000 word articles, you're more likely to rank. Okay, you're ranking for dozens of keywords, and Google really likes that because people are going to spend more time reading the article and learning more about what you're talking about. Okay, now also I like to have good on-page SEO. I like to have you know, several keywords that I want to rank the post for. I want to have multiple keywords there. I like to use about 10 for the main keyword that I'm ranking for. Okay, and you can also use a tool called Yoast SEO. This is free if you're using WordPress, and that's going to also help you with on-page SEO. Make sure you have your meta descriptions, and make sure you're just having the right tags on your articles. Okay, like I mentioned before, the longer people spend reading your articles, Google's going to reward you and going to boost you up in the rankings. Okay, so if you can, if the user can spend more time on your site, this is going to do it's going to do really well for your article. Okay, now another factor to consider is page load speed. Okay, if your page uploads fast, that means people are going to read it more because more users are going to see the page. Okay, if you have a delay on your site, and this most likely has to do with your hosting provider. I like to use HostGator. It's pretty quick, and if you can get fast load speed, you're also going to do well. Okay, Google sees that, and definitely is going to boost you up in the rankings as well. Okay, so the last SEO tip I would like to give you guys is don't spam your article with tons of affiliate links. Okay, I'm going to actually show you an example of affiliate website that you could use as a reference. But if you take a look at most of these successful niche sites, they don't have dozens of affiliate links. Okay, they link a few times to a product, and that's about it. Okay, so don't spam your content with affiliate links. It doesn't work. People see that you're obviously trying to make money off of this, and that's not necessarily what you want to do. Okay, you want to create a good experience for the user, and you want to help them out. That's the whole point of you having a website that reviews products. Okay, you're helping them make the decision to purchase the product. Okay, all right, so let me show you here some examples of some niche sites that I think that would help you out. Okay, so this is a website called Knife Up, and it's basically a review site for knives. Okay, as you can see, it's a very good looking website. It has everything laid out in front of you, very simple to follow. But what I do love about their articles, they're very lengthy and very detailed. Okay, if you can do something like a detailed post on like how to start a fire, like break it down, this is really good high quality content. Okay, it's very easy to read. There's images. The text is broken up, and it's very simple to read. Okay, now you can take a look at this website. Okay, it's not mine, it's someone else's. Don't copy it, of course, but you can definitely learn some things from this website. I definitely learned quite a few things because they're doing Amazon affiliate marketing very well. Okay, they're not spamming here. They have a few links here. Some of their posts, they're not that long, but they have other posts that are over 1,000 keywords, over 1,000 word articles. So that's what they're able to do. Okay, they're able to have long length articles, and then they're able to create short articles once they have the higher ones ranking. Okay, here is the plugin that I use. It's Yoast SEO. Quite a few people know about this. Okay, and it's going to help you with your on-page SEO. It's going to help you rank quicker, and it's going to help you to identify how to rank your on-page SEO. Okay, here's another niche site. This is from it's a YouTube channel. I forgot their name. Okay, it's Income School. Okay, if you know them, they're very good. They have high quality videos, and they teach you how to do Amazon affiliate marketing. And this is one of their niche sites that they talk about. Again, it does a great job at explaining how to do something. In this case, it's camping. Okay, and yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys take a look at these niche websites. They actually help me out and help me on how to structure my site and how to talk about some products in there. Okay, and throw in my affiliate links. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video on SEO for affiliate marketing websites. Okay, hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you can implement it into your own website, and you can get results. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like that, and I'll catch you in the next video.